welcome back to my channel, and today I have a sponsored video for you from ETEKCITY. The company reached out to me and wanted to know if I would be interested in sharing this product with you, and I said why not. During the holidays, I know the holidays are past now, but anytime you might need an extra bed, we have 3 bedrooms, but from time to time you need an extra mattress or bed. So I said sure, just send it to me and I'll be happy to do a video on it. And what it is, it's a queen size mattress. It is $98.99. It is 22 inches high, 80 inches long, 60 inches wide. And it's a raised bed with a built-in electric pump. And it has a flocked top to it, and it has a seamless edging so there's no leakage of air, and it's supposed to keep you stable even when you roll over or turn over. It doesn't make noise. So what I'm going to do is flip this around, flip the camera around, and have my husband help me, and we're going to take it in front of our fireplace and blow it up and let you see how this works. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to take it out of the box right now, and it's well packaged. It's pretty heavy though. So I'll let muscles do this part. Alright, then you just open this. And it comes with information and a little bag that you store it in. So that's really nice. I've had an air mattress before, so we'll see. So we'll just, oh, this wood floor is hard on your knees. Let's keep it in the frame, honey. It's a really nice top. I like the color. It's pretty and brown. Okay. Okay, I thought I would show you how basically simple this looks to be so far. You just open this. This is where your electrical cord is stored in here. You just plug it into electric. And then right here it just says this is the off button. And it says the arrow must point to off to secure the air. And then inflate is at the top and deflate is at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is turn this camera back around, and then we're going to inflate it. I'll be right back. We're going to start to inflate it. So all I have to do is just turn it to inflate. Okay, guys, as you can see, it totally inflated, and I don't know if I have it inflated all the way though. Oh, that's much more firm. Okay. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Honey, sit down.
I like it.
That is very comfortable. Yeah, he can lay down on it. It's really comfortable. Let me show you. Let me flip it around and show you. It has several features that I really like. I like the fact that this is kind of domed a little bit right in here, and you wouldn't really roll off. Not that I think you would. But it's really nice, and you can see there's plenty of room for 2 people. And it's very high up. I like that. And it's very comfortable if you like a firm mattress. And you could probably adjust this. I mean, it's not, there is a little give to it, but I really do like this mattress. So what I'm going to do is show you how we can deflate it. I'll be right back. Okay, I just thought I'd also hop on and tell you that this mattress, this is the DQ1, and I really do like it. This is very soft. It holds up to 500 pounds. And you can adjust the firmness of the mattress by keeping more air going into it until it gets real firm, or you can let some out depending on how firm or how soft you want it. And it does have a manual deflation in case something would happen and the auto deflate wouldn't work. So all in all, so far I really like it, and it is comfortable. So now I'm going to show you how you deflate it. Okay, it's really simple. All you do is just turn it down here. Okay, here it is, completely deflated. It took around 2-3 minutes to inflate it, and probably around 3 minutes to 4 to deflate it. So all we're going to do now is just roll it up and put it in its box. And then I'll be back to say a few more things to you. Okay guys, I want to tell you a few more things about it. It's very easy to deflate and then roll up and put into this bag now that it comes with. Now it does weigh 27.5 pounds when you first get it, so that's why I had to have my husband's help. But it seems very sturdy, and it is comfortable. So if you're interested in in ordering this or anything about it, I'll have all the information along with the link to order it in the description box below. But I'd like to thank ETEKCITY for sponsoring this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.